just buy bear spray. They register our names. It's like a weapon, so you have to register everything, and we just buy it before we see the bear. Here is the manual, and here are the signs what to do if you see a bear. So Nadine, when you walk around, I will drive this over.
No. And important, if you are done with it, you have to return it to the police or the fire department because it is a
They
weapon.
have to clear it.
And this is a town where you can travel in time. The front of this house was a front that was used in the movie Bye Bye Blues. So they placed it here, and later on this was used as a funeral home in another movie. And in this house there are all kinds of Rowley stuff.
Oh, very nice. Unbelievable, eh?
Yeah, that's a very old snooker table under the
Phenomenal. But they still got them there, right?
Oh yeah, they still have pool tournaments and stuff here.
The kitchen, unbelievable, I see that. Look at that!
Wow.
Is that something? Beautiful.
Yeah, I
Beautiful.
remember so that was
Nice,
their waiting
eh?
room.
Ah, beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Doing the whole railroad plan, right?
Yeah.
Edmonton, I see. Okay, you got a lot of real tracks here. Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Auction, so everything is on the station, right? Oh, unbelievable. Hey, little buddy, how are
That's
you
John.
doing? Hey, John, how are you? Great. Oh, that is
And that's a cargo room.
That's something,
Yeah,
eh?
hey.
You got enough people to keep this running here?
It's all run by volunteers.
Yes. So you're here from town?
I'm from the other town over, from Warren.
Oh, okay.
It's only a 7-minute drive, 8 minutes.
Okay, for Canadian people.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Oh,
Population here is 11.
11.
Yeah, 13 if the 2 kids come home from university.
That's the cast of the movie.
Yeah,
Okay.
so this building here is an old hospital. They
Up
painted
there?
Yeah, they painted it blue and used it as a hotel.
Yeah, I see it. I got it right there. Yep.
Yeah. So
So when was the film recorded here?
in 1988, in
1988.
89,
Bye Bye Blues.
yeah, in 89 it came out in the theaters, and it won three Canadian awards. It wanted a church, so what they did is they started fundraising. They started selling doilies and stuff like that, and finally in 1938 and 39 this church was built debt-free.
Wow.
Yeah, debt-free.
That's super, eh?
Yeah.
That's unbelievable. World's smallest church. It's Drumheller, Alberta, Canada, and I'm here behind the council. I don't know how you call it exactly. It's the littlest church in the world. Have 6 seats, and here I'm on the place of the priest. Thank you.
We are here in Horse Thief Canyon, a beautiful place, but
Time for a sticker.
There are also stickers.
We got from YouTube, Bruce Van Life Jr. We got the Adventurers Canada 2025 Medicine Hat, and you wouldn't believe this. Our friends from Canadian Museum Spire were also, I don't know when, but our sticker, Miles and Motors, was here. Here we go. Put them right here, right?
Techniek Museum Spire and Miles and Motors
Here
in
North
one
Steve.
place. Canyon, and the name is because of the horses tend to disappear in this area, and then, well, someone had a horse and then later on they found the horse back on another brand of with another person. When thieves stole the horses, they hid them here and later on they get them out, and this is one of the best places to find dinosaur bones. They already found 35 species here, dating up to 70 million years ago. It's called Wild Motors.
We're just talking to, what's your name?
Maiden.
Maiden, and you?
Braxton.
Braxton. And we're here in Drumheller. You live here in Drumheller?
Yeah.
Okay, we are from the Netherlands and we are so happy that you help us to make this video because, ladies and gentlemen, we don't have a stand here and these two guys just work it out. Super! Thank you, we wish you a beautiful day.
This is the view of our office today. Erik, what are we going to do?
We're going to edit our YouTube movies and this is our view.
It looks fake, but this is real, the view of the community center in Drumheller.
This is just our little view.
At that sky.
It's unbelievable.
They promised rain today.
And we get it. The weather is changing here in half an hour. Half an hour it was sunny, blue sky, and look now. That's the difference.
So, we better walk to the tent.
Yes.
Because today we only edited for the whole day. Erik's bike has not been repaired yet. So we're still in Drumheller. And the wind.
Hopefully tomorrow.
The wind is picking up. See ya.
Okay, steen beginnen.
Our tent is perfect, but the rain continues for so long that through the top of the tent there are some water drops coming next morning. And you think, well, that is okay. And in the tent everything is okay. But you see how much rain there fell tonight.
Good morning. You're walking plug and pluck as the little man with the yellow and the red capes because it's raining a little bit last night.
Today we'll walk like this to the community facility and
Exactly.
there we're gonna edit.
Yeah, till 8 o'clock because then is hopefully it's
8
pretty
o'clock
dry.
in the evening.
Of course.
So So we worked in the community facility for all of the day.
Yep.
Now we're gonna see what
The
the
rain
water
is gone.
did, what the rain did.
You wouldn't believe it. You would not believe this. Everything is 100% dry.
Woohoo!
Hi Nadi. Where are we right now?
We are at the Royal Tyrell Museum in Drumheller. In this place, they show Alberta 69 million years ago, and these dinosaurs are pteropods. The big one is the mother, and the small one is a baby. And they're just waiting here till the teenagers you see in the background are finished playing there. Nice, right?
This is the original one, stoned, and this is made with a mold. Origineel exemplaar 100 onder de klei.
So this is a Gorgosaurus, and it's very rare that they find them in perfect shape, and it's actually because it got directly buried when it died. It's more common that they find individual bones like these shattered along the ground.
I'm looking at this bit of the fossil right here. We got this nice kind of reddish brownish
Yeah.
type of color. So that's pretty typical. We're often going to have kind of a darker brownish color to the fossil, but in most cases it's going to be darker than the surrounding rock, or if it's been sun bleached, it'll be generally lighter than the surrounding rock.
Interesting.
So this has a little foramen in there.
Yeah.
So those are where blood vessels and nerves would have been flowing through in life. If you ever see a paleontologist prospecting for fossils, we're looking straight at the ground. We're not like looking at any, like we might be in a beautiful landscape, we're just looking straight down at our feet, trying to find little bits that are a little bit different. Because once we see something poking out that might be a fossil, we're down there and we're starting to excavate, we're looking at it to find out if there's more of it.
This skeleton is an original Tyrannosaurus rex, but only the head of it in this position is a cast, because the original head, it's here in the front, the skull, it is too heavy to be placed in this position, and the researchers still have to be able to research it, so that's why it's on the ground. But this is the original T-Rex bones they found here.
Day.
Oh, wow.
Actually, when we're starting this tour in PEI, I think between the 1 and the 3 it stopped a little bit. So we don't know what it was. So we're starting with new spark plugs. So you have to remove the tank. It's a job, hell of a job.
There it is. Suddenly, tonight is our last night in Drumheller.
So we got a little party with ketchup chips
Yeah.
and barbecue chips from Lay's.
Yeah.
Let's make a party!
Because at the beginning of the evening, we got Eric's bike and you drove around on it.
I drove all the way up on one wheel. Unbelievable. I was so happy. You couldn't believe it. I was so happy. And we hope and I think everything is fixed. New dynamo, and I think you call it in your language a cellulate, and also a power changer. So everything is okay, hopefully.
So we hope everything's okay. Tomorrow we'll go up to Edmonton and then
Up
to Alaska.
See you in Edmonton. Good night.
There they are. Yeah. 2 motorcycles.
There we go.
With everything packed up. What are we going to do?
Going to Alaska. Night Edmonton. Alaska.
Alaska, here we come.